Morning, ma'am. I'm here to show you on how the vinegar reacts to a baking soda. The materials needed is vinegar, baking soda, baking powder, canister, and a measuring cup. First, we're going to measure the vinegar.
Hindi mo ilang siksi.
Ha? Then, put some baking powder. Hindi pala.
Wali.
Put the vinegar on the canister. Then, put it on the canister together with the vinegar. For the baking soda, the canister will shoot up into air within a few seconds. This is due to the pressure build-up of the carbon dioxide gas is produced. Yeah. And that's how baking powder reacts to a vinegar. The second one is for the baking powder and vinegar. Again, put the vinegar on the measuring cup. Then transfer it to a canister. Then, put some baking powder on the canister together with the vinegar. So, baking powder is a sodium bicarbonate and some other stuff. Vinegar is mainly acetic acid in water, resulting gas is carbon dioxide. You can also get some water and aqueous sodium acetate. So, for me, the baking soda it has more carbon dioxide than the baking powder. And that's all. Good morning, teacher.